How to change a Netflix plan. So in here, now, unfortunately, you cannot actually use your Netflix application. You would actually need to go through their browser page, right? So what you can do is simply go through any of the browser. Let's just go into my Google for now, and then what you're going to do is simply search for Netflix plan. After doing that, this is the first link that you want to click on, and then from there all you need to do is add in your email address. So after doing that, you can tap on get started and then simply log into your account, right? So simply add in the password of your account and simply log into your account. So after doing that, now what are we going to do is simply open our account page, and under that there you'll be able to see your plan details row section, right? So simply tap on the option change plan that you'll be able to see right there. After doing that, you would need to now review the available tier and select your new preferred choice. So for example, it could be like upgrading to 4K premium or dropping down to standard, and then you can now tap on a blue continue or update button and tap on confirm change to lock it in. And then from there, all you need to do is simply tap on confirm change to lock it in, and then upgrades take effect immediately while downgrades take effect on your next billing cycle data. So that is exactly how you will be able to change your Netflix plan. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.